tornado emergency for the city of Indianapolis. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for Marion County until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, law enforcement confirmed a large and extremely dangerous tornado over Indianapolis International Airport, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Indianapolis. Take cover now. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Beech Grove, Lawrence, Southport, and Speedway. This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay. Seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room of the lowest level of a structure, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from this tornado. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Marion, Indiana,